Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna just do a day in the life on spring vacation. So I'm still on spring vacation. This is week 1, day 4. I go back to work next week Wednesday, so I didn't get like a very long spring vacation, but nevertheless I'm still grateful for it. So I decided not to do anything today, just like housework, house chores type of thing. I need to cook, I need to go to the supermarket, I need to go to the convenience store to ship off something. I made a list of stuff that I wanted to do during the spring break, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do like 3/4 of those stuff. But at least I went out a few times, so I'm grateful for that. By the way, I got these stuff. I think these are not, I think these are lemon, but they don't look like lemon. They look like oranges or jackfruit. Is it oranges? But one of them has already started spoiling. I got these as gift from one of my teachers, but I don't know what to do with it. I'm probably gonna have to make like some juice or something like that, because I don't want it to go entirely bad. But anyways, my breakfast is like very simple: egg, bread, tea. Yeah, it's 12 o'clock by the way. I think I'm gonna make maybe some scrambled eggs. I'm gonna use 2 eggs today because I'm going to the supermarket, so I can replace these. Come on, come out. Ugh. I changed my mind. I'm gonna just do an omelette instead. My pear is still good. Like once you cut the pear, you have to eat it at the same time. If not, then it's gonna go bad. I'm surprised that this pear is still good. I eat pear with everything. Everything. I love pear. And I even put pear in my hair as well to steam my hair. Anyways. Itadakimasu. What do you say? Itaka. Oh my. Itadakimasu. Itadakimasu. I'm trying to remember the word that you say. Itadakimasu. Yes, I think that's it. Before you eat in Japan. Right here. Hot, man. I finished eating like 2 hours ago, but you know, I was chatting on the phone, wasting time, and I feel so lazy. I don't feel like doing anything today, but you know, I gotta be productive. Anyway, so yesterday when I came home, so remember I told you guys that I had a company phone, so I need to mail the company phone. So I need to go to the convenience store. But yesterday I actually backed up the phone. I need to put back the SIM card in. I thought that it was supposed to be out. Yeah guys, so the thing is, I'm supposed to mail this at a convenience, at either the 7-Eleven or Family Mart convenience store, but the one that's next door to me is Lawson. So I have to go find a 7-Eleven or Family Mart convenience store to mail this to. So I should have mailed this from yesterday, which is the 31st of March, but I never realized that the convenience store that literally next door to me is a Lawson and not a Family Mart nor a 7-Eleven. So I need to go find one. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So pretty much I'm just gonna give them this. It has my address on it, and it's gonna mail. It's gonna go to my company in Tokyo. Yes. I made a mistake when I was backing up my WhatsApp number, and I needed help. So because this is the first time I'm changing like from one number to the next, because usually when people change their WhatsApp number, I usually say, oh, that person changed their WhatsApp number from that to that. So when I was doing it, changing from this phone to the one that I'm recording on right now, that's the WhatsApp, you know, it asked if I wanted to notify my contacts. But you see, because I never wanted, I thought it would have sent like a broadcasting message or something like that. Because I didn't notify my contacts, it's like no one has my new number. I have to be texting people individually to tell them that my number has been changed, even though I can see the chat on the new phone. I don't know what to do. How can I tell people what my number is and without texting them? If you understand what I'm saying, you know, like I want it to be automatic, but I don't want to text everyone and say, oh, this is my number or something like that. Anyways, I need to take this off. You know what, I'm very paranoid. Let me just double check to make sure that I turned off the phone and everything is okay. Okay. Alright, everything is all set. This looks so tacky, but I prefer tacky versus my mail opening. Ain't nobody paying for no phone that I don't have. Yeah. When I googled it, it said that a 7-Eleven or Lawson is 8 minutes walk from here. So I'm gonna just head out right now, try to find that thing. This is literally my apartment and the convenience store is right there, but that's Lawson. The weather is super nice today. I'm tired already. Just want to go lay down in my bed. 8 minutes walk. Honda. Honda is literally down the road from where I live. This is a Honda building. You can do a bunch of things at the convenience stores here in Japan. You can buy essential stuff and you can pay your bills there. You can use the ATM, you can photocopy documents. So a whole bunch of things you can do. But I have actually never used a convenience store to ship any package before. So I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go to the counter and show them the package, and then I guess they'll take it from there. And my company told me to, I guess, request for cash on delivery, so my company will be paying for this thing to be shipped to them. So that's good for me. Yeah. And there you go, the 7-Eleven. Yeah, 8 minutes walk. Like literally 1 minute. So I went in, I gave them the package, the man measured it, and then he scanned it and he printed a receipt. So he wrote the date on it and he gave me a copy, and that was it. Like, finished. So I didn't have to say anything to him. So that was pretty good, pretty quick and all of that. I'm heading back to my apartment to get my backpack because I have to go in the other direction to go to the supermarket. So I'm going to an international supermarket, to Caldi's, to get some stuff, and then I'm gonna go to the supermarket, the regular supermarket, to get, wait, what do I need at a regular supermarket? Oh, I need some vegetables and stuff because I'm gonna be cooking curry chickpea. I've cooked that before and it was very, very good. Like, it tasted like meat. I literally thought I was eating meat. But look at that pink tree over there, so beautiful. Anyway, so yeah, so You guys are coming with me so you guys can see what's in the international store, which is Caldi's. I hate vlogging in public. The people in the car looking at me. Yeah, I'm shy. Anyways, you guys can see the convenience store from there. That's the one that's near to my apartment, so I'm pretty close to my apartment. Well, not that close, but you know, yeah, about 5 minutes to go. Yeah, and then I have to continue in that direction to go to the supermarket. There's a bag with groceries right there. It has been there for a few days now, and at first I thought maybe someone was in quarantine or something, but it has been like maybe 3 days now, and the person who I don't know who lives there because I don't know my neighbors, but they haven't taken it up, so now I'm kind of worried, like, is that person okay? Clearly they haven't left their apartment, so like, who do I call? I don't know, but I guess I'm gonna watch it some more. But I guess the person that lives beside this person, they should be able to, like, you know, figure out what's going on. I'm just a gaijin, I don't know what's going on. Anyways, I made it back to my apartment. I don't know what's going on, because usually when we're in quarantine, you can't leave your apartment, so people leave groceries at your doorstep. So I'm thinking that's what I was thinking at first, but then I don't know. I hope that person is okay, and I'm not gonna go knock on the door. I don't speak Japanese, and yeah, don't mind my jacket, guys. Anyway, so question, do you guys want an updated apartment tour? Because I have done like a few minor changes from the previous video that I done like years ago. Well, not years, but maybe over 2 years ago or 2 years ago. So guys, let me know if you would want an updated apartment tour video. This is my receipt from the delivery thing. To be honest, I'm gonna rest a little because I'm tired. Where's my water? And then I'm gonna head out on the road. Mask checked, purse checked, backpack checked. My backpack is actually empty, guys. It just looks full. And phone. So guys, we're gonna go to the supermarket. Let's go. Cali. You know, I think this is chickpea, but I'm not gonna chance it because I'm not sure. And I think I'd have to cook it if I buy this, but I'm not gonna buy it. I'm looking for the thin chickpea, not the one that's not cooked. Millions and millions of ramen, different types of ramen. I like this, but I heard that it has pork grease in it or something like that. So I've been eating pork grease. But such is life. I'm on this Lent journey where I'm giving up meat except for fish for Lent, right? And I thought that April 1st I could eat meat, but I was told that Lent actually ends April 3rd, so I have to wait until Saturday to, I hope you guys can hear me because it's windy. I have to wait until Saturday until I can eat meat. So I wanted to make curry chickpea, so I went to the international supermarket Caldi's, but they didn't have any, so now I'm quite upset, you know, quite upset. Anyways, I ended up getting fish. I bought salmon. Some people say is it salmon or salmon with the L silent? So let me know in the comment section below, is it salmon or salmon? Anyway, so I'm gonna just bake some salmon, and I was planning on cooking rice, so I don't think I'm gonna cook rice anymore. I bought sweet potato, so I think I'm gonna just cook sweet potato and Irish, and then I don't know, experiment and do some stuff. And it's still there. Okay, still there. In my backpack I got my stuff. So at Caldi's I got coconut water. Yeah, I bought this. I like this cheese. I don't really fancy the cheese here. I like tasted cheese in Jamaica. This sort of have a similar taste to Tasty's cheese. Yeah, so I usually buy that. And at the supermarket now, ooh, I got bread, eggs, salmon, broccoli, sweet potato, and Irish potato. Break because I'm hungry, yo. I have one container of food left. One container. So this is gonna be my lunch. This is pumpkin fish with cabbage and rice. Been eating fish almost every day. Anyways, next up I'm gonna bake my fish. I feel so healthy just looking at this food. It looks so delicious. Do you want some? Let me know. I can send some for you guys. So this is gonna be my lunch for the next few days. Forehead is so shiny. Anyways, it's almost 7 p.m. right now. I'm gonna clean up and take a shower. I need to send some emails, some work emails, and you know, just relax and maybe watch a movie, do some editing, and that's that. Like, that's the end of my night pretty much. Tomorrow I hope to go somewhere. I don't know where I'm going yet, but I have some ideas, so stay tuned for that video. Anyways guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.